Ground beetles. Mostly black, although some are brightly coloured. There are a great number of species of these beetles, and some are rather ferocious beetles, resulting in some very worried homeowners. Habitat. Ground beetles are often found in houses in the spring. They may crawl around basement or ground floor rooms or fly to bright lights. They hunt during the night time and sleep in the day.
There are 250 species of bumblebees worldwide. The average speed is roughly 50 miles an hour. Depending on the species of the bumblebee, worker bees' tongues can vary in size from 6mm to 12mm. Bumblebees actually have 4 wings and not 2. And if bumblebees sting people, they can die.
The willow warbler is a very common and widespread leaf warbler. It is a bird. It is typically a leaf warbler in appearance, which is 11 to 12.5 centimetres long and weighs 7 to 15 grams in weight. It is greenish brown above and off-white to yellowish below. The wings are plain greenish brown with no wing bars.
The blackbirds, males have a black plumage and bright yellow beaks. Females have a brown plumage and a mottled breast and a brownish beak. Flight is usually low and short, over short distances. Can be found in most barren uplands and thrives in gardens and parks.
Geese are split into mainly 2 sections, answer geese and Brantner geese. Answer geese have pink, orange or grey bills, which are serrated, and belonging to these groups are bar-headed, bean, emperor and pink-footed. Brantner always have black bills, which are softer and don't have serrations. Such species as barnacle, brant and Canada. Baby goose is called a gosling, and the life expectancy of a geese is about 25 years.
Crows, 31 species. Mixed habitats they live in, woodland, open areas, cities, towns. Usually black in colour all over, considered very intelligent. They're around 20 to 30 centimetres in length, wingspan is double the size, and they are a migrating bird. Frog spawn, mass of thick translucent jelly, often 5,000 are laid at once, live in ponds, ditches, slow moving streams, born in February, March, and a month later the little tadpoles come along.
Sparrowhawks are small birds of prey. The males are 1/3 smaller than the females. Each adult consumes 2 small birds a day. Their excellent flying abilities enable them to ambush unsuspected birds. Sparrowhawks nest in May, laying about 4 to 5 eggs, and they incubate for 35 days.
The wood pigeon is generally grey with a pinkish breast and green, white-purple patch on the neck. The tail has a black tip and the wings have a predominant white patch. The eye is bright yellow, the legs and the bill are pink. Wood pigeons feed on seeds, grains, crops, but will feed on almost anything that is placed on a bird table.
The newt is a small amphibian, and the average newt only tends to grow to around 15 centimetres long. Some newts, however, are bigger or smaller depending on the species. The newt is found naturally in North America, Europe and Asia, and the newt is thought to be a subspecies of the salamander. A newt tends to lay its eggs individually, with the newt normally finding ponds or slow-moving streams in which to do this. The individual newt eggs attach themselves to aquatic plants and hatch in about 3 weeks.